Okay, so in this video, I will be making a keychain or the alphabet as a standalone. I will be concentrating with the love you letters. So before we get started, there is two type of mold if you don't have one. One, the alphabet will be backward, and there's a standard one. I highly recommend to buy the standard one. So this way, whatever you make, that's whatever you see, that's what you're gonna get. Beside the facing, this will be more shiny. So if you bought them from Amazon or somewhere else, just watch out for that one, and this will make it much easier for you. I will be using gold leaves, resin, and red beads. That's the only thing I'll be using. So it will be simple and easy, but they will look very lovely. Okay, so as you see, the beads, they are not the same size or colors. So I keep rearranging them for a look the one I want. Sometimes I add extra gold too. I remove it till I have the right style, the one I want. At the end of the video, I had some extra resin, so instead of waste it, I added more letters. If you have any question, just let me know, and if you feel this one is helpful. Thank you. you have noticed, I keep adding resin little by little. Just I keep checking the side of the table to be sure the resin is not overflow and it's not too low. If you decide to add custom names or wording or anything, then just be sure to leave some room for another layer of resin. Here we are. This is the final project. So as you see, they are look very nice, glossy, shiny, and simple. If you have any question, please let me know, and let me know what do you think. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.